Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday how to get a W-2. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To get your W-2 form from Workday, you usually access it through the pay or tax document section of your Workday account. In order to do it, simply head over and open up your Workday application and be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply tap on the pay or tax documents icon, and then once you're inside there, all you gotta do is select the W-2 form for the desired year. Then once selected, you can view it on your screen or simply download it depending on your device and app version. You can also use the web browser as well by simply heading over to your web browser, then on the search bar typing in workday.com and logging into your account, and then on the home page find and click the pay workload icon. Then inside the page section, look for tax documents or W-2, then select the tax year you want, and then simply tap on view or download or print your W-2 form. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.